CPA marketing, free traffic method. Make $2,000 in 2 weeks. CPA marketing is one of the best ways to make money online with free traffic. In this video, I'm going to share my secret CPA marketing free traffic method that made me $20,000 plus and 51,000 plus clicks. CPA stands for cost per action. You get paid when someone does any actions on your shared offers. It could be app install, a sign up form, email submit, zip submit, a simple survey, or looking like the same task. In this video, I'm going to share my top secret CPA marketing free traffic methods. Make sure to watch the full video and understand everything. Here are all the messages that are used inside the video. You can use it as an example, and if you create your unique messages or email, you get good conversions. Facebook groups, stream methods, 9,000 plus clicks. Believe it or not, but Facebook groups is one of the best ways to drive free traffic for your CPA offers or also for your website or blog. You can join 10 to 15 Facebook groups related to your niche and post 1 to 3 times daily. I'm sure you'll get a huge amount of traffic. Message for FB groups. Hey, name. I'm new to the Make Money Online group. I saw that you're a member of the group and that you stay in location. I just wanted to connect with you. Post for brain cracking images. Send me the correct answer on DM. I'll give you $100 gift card for those who live in the United States. Black Hat Method message. I'm currently paying people in the United States $1 to PayPal just to do 5 minute sign up. If interested, comment below. Steps to complete an offer. Use VPN location. United States. Click this link, your affiliate link, proof of sign up, screenshot. Google SEO with medium.com, 11,000 plus clicks. So you know SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. You can use Google SEO with medium.com. Medium is a content publishing website with a high DAPA. If you publish an article on medium.com, there's a high probability that your blog will rank faster. Fiverr Black Hat Method, 13,000 plus clicks. I'm looking for a logo design, but we'll need you to see our company specifications and answer a few questions for us to see if you qualify. Tell me your price for a logo. Location United States. CPA offer location. Price or budget more than average price $250. YouTube SEO video 18,000 clicks or unlimited. YouTube is the world's top video search engine. That's the only reason you can use it as a free traffic source for your CPA offers. CPA marketing free traffic method. CPA marketing or cost per action marketing involves promoting offers and earning a commission for getting people to take specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter, filling out a form, or making a purchase. There are several methods you can use when it comes to driving free traffic to your CPA offers. Here are some popular traffic free methods for CPA marketing. Social media marketing. Use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn to promote your CPA offers. Create engaging content, share valuable information related to offers, and include your affiliate links strategically. Join relevant groups and communities, interact with audiences, and build relationships to increase your chances of conversion. Content marketing. Create high quality content in the form of blog posts, articles, videos, or podcasts that are related to the CPA offer you're promoting. Optimize your content for search engines to improve organic visibility. Include your affiliate links within the content or in the autobiography, ensuring they are relevant and valuable to readers or viewers. YouTube marketing. Create informative and engaging videos related to your CPA offer. Upload them to YouTube and optimize for search engine ranking. Include your affiliate links in the video description or within the video itself. Encourage viewers to take desired action by providing a clear call to action. Search engine optimization. Optimize your website or landing page for search engines to improve organic visibility. Reach and use relevant keywords related to the CPA offer you are promoting. Focus on creating high quality content, optimizing meta tags, and building backlinks to improve your search engine rankings and bring in free traffic. Email marketing. Build an email list by providing valuable content or incentives related to your CPA offer. Create a series of emails that provide value to your customers and strategically include your affiliate link. Use an email marketing platform to automate the process and track the performance of your campaigns. Forums and community participation. Find relevant forums, discussion boards, and online communities related to your CPA offering. Join discussions, provide useful information, and build relationships with community members. When relevant or when someone is looking for a solution that your CPA can provide, include your affiliate link in a non spammy way. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers who have relevant audiences and can promote your CPA offer. They may mention your offers in their content, share their experiences, or create detailed promotional material. This method may require negotiating or providing incentives to influencers, but it can be an effective way to reach a wide audience. Guest blogging. Identify popular blogs in your field and reach out to them with an offer to write a guest post. Write high quality informative content that is tailored to the blog's audience and include relevant links to your CPA offer within the content of autobiography. This can help you leverage the blog existing traffic and attract potential conversions. Social bookmarking sites submit your content such as blog posts or articles to social marketing sites such as Reddit, StumbleUpon, Dig or Mix. Make sure to follow the rules and guidelines of each platform and provide valuable content that users find useful. If your content gains popularity, it can increase visibility and potential conversions. Online classified ads. Post ads on free classified ad websites such as Craigslist or Gumtree that are relevant to your CPA offer. Create compelling ad copy, highlight the benefits of the offer, and include a clear call to action. Make sure you follow the rules and guidelines of each classified ads platform to avoid any issues.